Another breakdown again?
Are you the maintenance manager and have you witnessed similar situations at your factory facility? We are here to help you.
With CARL software, maintenance becomes smart, predictive, and stress-free. CARL software automates your maintenance, predicts issues before they happen.
CARL Asset Management Software.
Cost optimization. Reduce maintenance costs by 10 to 20%. Increased equipment service life. Extend asset lifecycle by up to 10%. Customer satisfaction. Ensure consistent production and delivery. Proven track record 40+ years of expertise. Built for manufacturing. Continuous innovation. 25% R&D investment. ISO 55000 ready. Improved budget forecasting. Plan with confidence.